We're here, boys.
That's what Aunt Lynn has. Is
The Russian Orloff section. They are precious. Look, the little peepers, Mom. The clucks are home, kids.
Sean wants to see them. Yeah, see the chickens?
Oh, they're so sweet. So we got all the bedding set up. We're getting the lamp and everything. It's gonna be sick. Okay, hush. So we got everything set up. We got the feeder, the water, the lamp, the bin, the bedding. And then, yeah, we're set. The little clucks, we're giving them a little bit of time to rest. Just, you know, get used to what they're doing. I know. I mean, ducks require a lot of attention, and that's why we got chickens, because chickens, you just kind of set them up and they do what they do. Alright, we got the incubator, not incubator, the pen set up. The brooder, that's what it's called. Oh.
Hold on.
Just let Mom do it. She knows what she's doing.
Put one in?
Oh, so she gets to.
Oh.
Okay, Mom, can I do?
Oh,
I'm a little guy.
Foil.
Okay.
Nugget.
Do you want to do one, Nick?
Can I do another one?
No.
Can I do another one? Okay.
What?
Wait, it doesn't feel neat.
Just all around the wings. There you go.
Oh.
We need some food in there, too.
Oh, they've already dirtied their water.
They look a little confused.
They're like, scenery
Such a
change.
tiny little space.
Okay, you want to go get the thing of food?
It's a little bit small, huh?
Yeah. It's not the grit, it's the bigger bag. Is it in the house?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, the little clucks.
It's grit.
Oh my god, it's all red on the camera. they're munching. Ah, they're munching.
A little stress eating there.
It's alright. They're so cute, I love them. They all fell asleep. You can't see it because the camera only reflects red, but they fell asleep. They're so cute.